I swear never to allow Nnamdi Kanu succeed or escape jail. Obasanjo brags. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has stated that despite secession attempts, Nigeria will continue to exist. Nigeria will continue to exist according to Obasanjo since the cost of breaking up will be disastrous. The former president announced the 85th birthday celebration of Methodist Church Nigerian Prelate Sunday Mbang. I want to guarantee you that Nigeria will continue to exist because the cost of Nigerians ceasing to exist is far greater than the cost of ensuring that Nigeria continues to exist. There are many persons, high and low, who can be described as Nigerians' opponents, but they will not be able to win over Nigerians' friends. His statement reads. This comes as Vice President Yemi Osinbajo recently stated that if Nigeria splits up, it will lose much more. OBJ, you see, Nnamdi Kanu have seen threats that are even more than this. You have seen threats that are even more than this. And to show that you are not a reasonable person, someone is in jail, you are still throwing threats. That shows that you are very desperate. I said it that if there is any leader that is gaining more from Nigeria and that we never want Nigeria to break up, is former President Olusegun Obasanjo. I am telling you, Obasanjo is ready to give anything out to see that Nigeria does not break. Do you know what he stands to lose? Do you know what he stands to lose? Obasanjo is just like Joe Ibokwe. Obasanjo, when talking about Nigeria, you're talking about Obasanjo. There are people that are the Nigerians themselves. They have accumulated all the wealth of Nigeria. So, if you are putting an end to Nigeria, you are putting an end to their existence. You have killed them to pieces. So they won't want you to kill them. Before you kill them, they will prepare your own grave. And that is the person of Obasanjo. When you're talking about Nigeria, you're talking about Obasanjo. When you're talking about Nigeria, you're talking about Tinubu. You're talking about Nigeria, you're talking about Dangote. People that have accumulated the wealth of Nigeria, that have stolen the wealth of Nigeria, those are the people that are ready to die. Didn't you hear what he said? He said he will never allow Nnamdi Kanu to succeed or even escape jail. That means he's even praying that Nnamdi Kanu ends up in jail. As many as they are that are agitating and praying for Nnamdi Kanu to end up in jail, they will be the one to end up in jail. Nnamdi Kanu is as free as a bird. Yes. If they are thinking that the case is going to turn against Nnamdi Kanu, they have failed. Absolutely. You understand? They have failed because it's not going to work. Nnamdi Kanu is already a victor. He's already a victor. You understand? So I don't know why people are still troubling themselves. You see, I was telling us something one time ago that one of the reasons that we make our leaders not to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or the division of Nigeria is because of their self-benefit. their self-benefit, their self-achievement. And it is for them, not for you. If you think that these people are fighting for your benefit, it's a waste of time. They will never fight for you. Never. Anything you see them doing is for their own selfish gain. For their own selfish gain. They are doing it in order for it to benefit them. For it to benefit them, that's why they are doing what they are doing. So you have to be wise. You have to be wise and be smart. Be watchful. Don't allow yourself to be cheated. You understand? Don't allow yourself to be cheated. This country has gone haywire. Do you know how many people that has been deceived? Do you know? It's quite pathetic. Quite pathetic. So my dear viewers in the house, I plead to you all, based on this that I've just been taking note of, what's your thoughts? Because Obasanjo that I know is a man of two mouths. Today you hear that he's no more behind the Biafrans. Tomorrow you hear that Nnamdi Kanu is my son. He speaks where favors him. Now he has seen that there is no way he's going to be favored once Nigeria is divided. That is why he saw him turning back. Turning back to Nigerians. Okay, we shall see. So my dear viewers in the house, without flogging much on this issue, what is your take? What is your take? Please, I invite you on this matter. If you are new, don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.